Before you lock into another year with your current accounting software, you need to know what Xero is doing in 2026. I've spent the past year testing every major small business accounting platform, and Xero surprised me in the best way possible. Hi, I'm Jana Coopercoat, a Xero certified advisor helping small business owners get organized, save time on bookkeeping, and make more profit. Full disclosure, I've partnered with Xero for this video because I genuinely use and trust it. I only recommend tools I'd use with my own clients and business. I actually moved my real business books from QuickBooks to Xero to test it properly and give you an honest opinion. Right now, as of January 2026, new users get 90% off for 6 months. That's massive savings. The offer ends January 30th, 2026. So check the link in the description or visit Xero.com. Xero is cloud-based accounting software built for small businesses, freelancers, e-commerce sellers, service professionals, agencies, consultants. You get all the essentials: expense tracking, financial reports, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and true double-entry bookkeeping. But also professional invoicing, bill payment, quotes, cash flow forecasting, inventory management add-ons, multi-currency support, project tracking, and more. Compared to QuickBooks Online, similar features, but Xero's interface is cleaner, more modern, and easier to navigate. Here are the current USD plans. Prices vary by region. Early plan, $25, month, limited to 20 invoices, quotes, and 5 bills monthly. Great for brand new businesses. Includes bank feeds, basic reports, HubDoc receipt capture, sales tax tracking. Growing plan, $55, month with unlimited invoices and bills, bulk reconciliation, real-time reports, HubDoc, and optional inventory. This is the sweet spot for most growing businesses. Established plan, $95 plus month. Everything from growing plus multi-currency, advanced project tracking, expense claims, customizable dashboards. Note, payroll via Gusto integration costs extra. Annual billing saves money. With the current 90% off promotion, early drops to $2.50 month, growing to $5.50 and established under $10 month to start. Perfect time to try premium features. What makes Xero shine? Automatic bank feeds that stay connected better than my QuickBooks experience. Unlimited users on every plan with free accountant access. Beautiful mobile app for invoicing and expenses on the go. Over 1,000 integrations. Stripe, Shopify, Gusto, Square, HubDoc. Advanced reporting plus tracking categories to segment by location, department, or project. Cash flow predictions with alerts for potential shortfalls. Best-in-class multi-currency for international selling. Here's what nobody mentions: the customization. Xero lets you completely tailor the software. Drag and drop dashboard widgets. Fully customize your chart of accounts. Add, rename, renumber exactly how you want. Tweak report layouts. Brand invoices perfectly. The software molds to you instead of forcing rigid templates. This is huge for getting profitability insights that matter to your specific business. User-friendly for non-accountants, but powerful for professionals. Reliable bank feeds save hours monthly. Unlimited users make collaboration effortless. Excellent reporting and tracking. Top-tier mobile app. Massive integration ecosystem. Scales beautifully as you grow. Learning curve when switching, though easier than QuickBooks for most. Higher plans plus add-ons get pricey with payroll, inventory, and advanced features. Early plan limits push-fast upgrades. Fewer Xero-specialized bookkeepers in some regions. Support is mostly chat, email, no phone support on lower plans. Perfect for service-based businesses, freelancers, agencies, E-commerce sellers. Best in class for international sales. Great if working with accountants. Ideal for modern tools prioritizing automation and insights. Skip it if you have fewer than 10 transactions monthly. Try Wave and TED. Heavy inventory needs? QuickBooks might edge it out. Extremely tight cash flow? Consider Zoho Books or Wave's free features. After switching my own books and using Xero daily? Yes, absolutely worth it in 2026 for most serious small business owners. The interface, automation, and customization save hours and provide better profitability insights. I rate it 4/7/5 minor deductions for cost and support, but it's my has-shown recommendation over QuickBooks. Ready for professional, scalable bookkeeping? Grab that 90% off deal while it lasts. Drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. Switching to Xero? Already using it? Share your experience. Check the link in the description or Xero.com for the promotion. Thanks for watching.